Hello. This is the first of a whole series of videos that will detail various aspects of referrals, whether it's writing a referral or reconciling referral. So here we'll quickly go through the most important elements of writing a referral. So we've got engineer Scotty, okay, and we're going to issue a referral because we have heard a heart murmur on exam during the well visit. Now, there are a couple different ways to do this. If you're in the chart, you go to your referral tab and hit plus, and then you can say referral to a specialist and go from here. Or another way to do it, which is maybe easier, is if you're in the midst of a well visit and you're telling the parents that, listen, this is something I've heard. I feel that you need to go see a cardiologist. Come down here to your assessment and plan, and you're going to click other. And then you're going to go in here, and you can either go in here and type cardiology, right? And then make this referral letter and say do now, okay? And you get your box. Or even better, you can just click on this little guy who looks like a king, but actually if you look really close is a doctor wearing a stethoscope. And voila, there comes your referral box, okay? So what we're gonna do then is say referral to a specialist. We're gonna type in here, we're going to children, so we're gonna type Heart Institute. That's good enough. Pulls up Heart Institute. There's our department. Now, quick reminder, and I have a whole separate video that talks about why this is the case, but this box is the most important box you have to fill in. Don't fill the specialty in down here and leave this blank, because then it's very hard. There's no way for the person who's trying to attach the returning letter to attach it to the correct referral. So this is really where you want to put the information. Quickly, I also want to mention that there are many options here. If you type department and enter, this is going to pull up, you can slide this over, all of the children's departments. So all the children's departments have been entered in this way. So you can quickly scroll through and then pick the one that you want. That's one way to go about it. The other way to go about this is, let's say you're not sure where you want to send the kid. Let's say it's dermatology. Okay, you can just do derm, and you could either pick the specific dermatologist if you know, or you just pick the general, and obviously you would change this, or we could just delete it. But in any case, there you go. Then you're just referring to a general dermatologist. So just remember to make sure this box is accurate. Okay, so we're going to do Heart Institute, and there we go. Other very, very important fields, this one, the flag date. So this is, you want to set this to the date that based on your medical concern about this patient. So when do you want to make sure that this patient is seen? Because this date dictates when our nurses are going to start tracking people down and finding out if they've gone or not gone for the referral. So you want this to be accurate. In this case, I don't think the murmur's that concerning, so I'm going to push my date out, and I'm going to go ahead and say, all right, let's make it December 9th, okay? But the flag date's really important. So referral to specialist, flag date, fill in who you're referring to, and then you come down here. Reason for referral. Now, we've created some phrase construction items to try to help you make this as fast as possible. So you can see we've got different specialties. If you click on cardiology, you've got one for blood pressure, heart murmur. This is heart murmur, you want the patient seen in the next week. Heart murmur, you want the patient seen in the next month or the next 3 months. So I'm going to click that one. And then there's my referral, and it's done. Now, maybe you don't like the wording. Maybe you're like, no, I like to type my own. I don't like that. You can also just type your own. You can say, this is a with a newly heard heart murmur. It is at the right external border, 2/6, systolic ejection murmur without radiation. Okay, something like that. Now, very important, if you type your own, it's really important to put the PCMH verbiage in. So again, click your book, PCMH tracking. No, sorry, that's the wrong one. PCMH info. There we go. Yeah, PCMH info. And then what you get is type of referral, different types of referral, and the timing required. In this case, it's going to be evaluation and treat. So I'm going to click that and say done. And then I just need to fill in how quickly I want the patient seen. So I'm going to put 3 months. This should always match your flag date. Okay, and then that's it. Then you're done with your referral. If you want to include the summary of your visit, you can with the letter. I usually don't want to fax all that, so I'll unclick this, and then you can print it if you want to print it and send it, or save it. Okay, so those are all the elements important for making a referral. Thanks.